so smart. How to scan a photo into PDF. So what you'll do is you head on over to your drive, and then from there on you will see that plus sign at the bottom right, and then you will click on it. From then on, what you will do is you will see those icons that says folder, upload and scan. You will head over to scan, click scan. Then what you will do is you will head on over to your camera, and then you will put your paper in place. You will try and make it as accurate as you possibly can, because you don't want to leave out any details, and you will capture that image. Great. Then to confirm, you will click on the tick there at the top right, and then you will perhaps you want to add more than one page. So what you'll do is you go on over to the plus size, so you can add your second, third or fourth page, however many pages that you need to add. And then you will also take a picture of the image that you want to convert to PDF. Okay, put it in place and then click. Great. Don't forget to tick off your tick. Okay, now you will see that it will have 2 pages showing at the bottom, 2 out of 2. Then you click the tick again on the bottom right. Now you have to save it in whatever name that you want to save it as. I chose to do the scan example 2. It works for me. Scan example, I beg your pardon. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to make sure that it uploads to complete the conversion to PDF. Okay, there you go. It's loading. It depends on the network, really, how strong your network is at the time. And then from then on, voila, you've got your pictured document successfully converted to PDF. So it was so much fun making this video for you guys. If you know that you want to see more of such informative videos, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do go down to the comment section and dish out any suggestions of many other videos that you would like me to make. Until next time. Mwah.